Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very short and sweet. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a database and how to delete a database in MySQL. And that is going to be super easy for all of you. So without wasting all of your time, let me take you forward quickly. So the first thing, I'll just open my MySQL workbench. This is going to be super easy. Just connect to the database you have. So let's do the creation first. DB create and delete. So these are the two things which we are going to do. Now on the left side, you can see all these databases are already existing. So to create a new database, what you need to write? First of all, what is a database? Database is a collection of tables and schema. Okay, so inside a database, there are a whole schema. Let's say I click on this database, Rajat. So you can see table, and then there are some two table, and then views, stored procedure, functions. So this is a full schema. But the main and most important things are table here. Okay, so inside this schema, we have two tables. Rajat is the name of the database. Similarly, in this, if I say the world database, inside world, we have tables, city, country. I know this is very small for all of you, but in Workbench, I don't get an option to close it out, guys. Now, let me create a new database. Okay. So what I need to write? Very simple. Create database, just like create table we do. Now, what is the name of the database you want to do? Let's say today is Saturday. So let me create Saturday as a database. Okay. Now, this is a command to create the database, but it's very important that you give a command to use the database before you call the database in any of the query. Okay, so you need to make sure that you are giving this command use and the name of the database, that is Saturday. Then let's do one thing. One more thing I can do simply, let's say if you want to show the content of that database, so you need to just write show and then the name of the database. So it's very easy. Now, if I run this part, let me run this. When I click on this, this shows database created. Now, if I click again, it will give an error because the database already do exist. Now, you cannot see it here. At the moment, there is no database with the name of Saturday. So how I will do it? I will right click on any of the database. I'll click on what? Refresh all. That's it. You can see Saturday has been popped up. So now inside Saturday, inside table, there is no table. So simply if there is any table you want to create, so you can simply use this name with the table name and then create it. So this is the first part. Now let me remove this piece of code. I want to, let's say, delete the database now. You said that I am done with the work, and usually when you delete the database, when you want to use temporary databases, okay, temporary tables. So sometimes you create a temporary database for only one day or maybe 1 week. In that case, once your project is done, you delete. So how you will delete? This is going to be super easy. Drop database. Create database to create, drop database, and the name of database is Saturday. Now I click here. You can see in the log, this is done. Now without refresh itself, if I refresh again, there is no database called Saturday. And if I write create and drop is the key. Now if I create, run this, see at the time of creation, it will not reflect automatically. Refresh, Saturday is here. So that is going to be today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also put the comment in the comment section. And if you like the content, please share this video with your friends, family and colleagues so that I can get maximum reach. And I love to get good feedback and negative feedback also if you're not liking anything, so that I can improve it. On that note, I will take a leave from all of you. All the best, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.